No, make that movie.
Why not?
Because
I didn't. It's just a pretend. It's not even real.
no, I thought it was that. That means the movie. I know. Do you still you still have picture of that bean in my ear?
Bean?
Remember the clown that was in my birthday? Still have it?
Yeah, it's on the it's on the internet.
Internet?
Yeah, it's on the computer. You're hot. Yes, mommy. Sangki lang. Only one. Ooh, that's hot. Ow! Ow! You're hot.
No, mommy.
You're hot stuff.
No, mommy.
I love you.
No.
Why? You don't want mommy to say that I love you?
Mm.
But I do.
No, mommy. No.
Why no? I'm your mom. I can say whatever I want. Like, I love you.
Mm.
Pangit. Pangit. Oh, I thought you're okay now. Why are you crying? Why are you still crying?
I'm trying to not think about it.
Don't think about it. Let's think of a happy thought. We'll go to Seattle again. You want to go to Seattle again? Okay.
For
5 days? We'll go for a month. You want to go for 30 days? How long?
7.
7 days? That's short. That's not very long. How about 8? What are we gonna do in Seattle when we go? I know.
What?
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna buy? I know what you wanna buy. I know.
Yeah,
Ah!
what's in the head?
Not again. The shark tooth.
I won't get it.
I will get 10. You want 10? How many do you want?
Just one.
Just one. We'll get the big one. You know the one that I like? The big one that was like this big.
But mommy, I don't want to get the fake one. I want to have to get.
We'll get the real one, not fake.
Yeah, then because the one that I got that was fake.
No, it's real. It's real.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it was.
How do you know?
Because I checked.
Are you sure?
Yeah? Yeah, it was real.
What kind of shark is it?
Lucas shark.
No.
What? What kind of shark was it from?
It's not a leprechaun. There's no such thing as that. I've never heard that shark.
Okay, what shark do you think it is?
Great white, it's not.
What is it? What shark? What shark is it from?
I don't know, mommy. Why did I say the word?
It's okay because she just wants to see Justin Bieber. Sabi mo, because she thinks he likes her, but he doesn't. He actually doesn't like her because she's ugly.
Yeah, you have too much bimbos.
Bimballs. I like bimballs. Do you have bimballs? Do you have bimballs? You don't? What do you have? Show me what you got, big boy.
No, I don't. Stop.
Stop what? Show me what you got, big boy. Come on, hot stuff. Ow! Did you kiss your girlfriend today? Ow! Did you kiss your girlfriend? Ooh, that's hot. I like that. Ooh, some more.
Mommy.
More. Okay. Why are you? Okay, sige na, hug na. Just stop thinking about it. I told you it's not real. Dede. Why do you like my dede? Why? Tell me.
I feel like I sleep with Daddy.
You sleep with mommy.
Okay.
Okay? You want to take a bath together? Let's take a bath. How about we take a bath?
Maybe a shower.
Ooh, shower is good.
No.
What do you want? Shower or bathtub?
Shower.
Ooh. Ow! I'm kidding. So what's it gonna be?
Mommy, don't do
Okay.
it. I'm crying.
You're funny.
Try not to do...
Why? I'm trying to make you happy.
Mommy, that's gonna make me happy.
It doesn't make you happy. What makes you happy then?
I hope I wouldn't make that show anymore.
Okay. We'll not think about it. It's finished. It's gone. We're not gonna talk about that show. We will not watch that show at all. Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Sige
wish
na.
you could pick me up every day. But now I doesn't pick me up.
Okay. Mommy will pick you up. Okay?